from outside his residence in the city of Lahore. The clashes broke out after police officers arrived, reportedly to arrest the former Prime Minister following a warrant issued by a court. He's facing allegations that he incorrectly declared gifts received from foreign dignitaries while in office. He says the case is politically motivated. Well, our Pakistan correspondent Caroline Davis has been speaking to Imran Khan in Islamabad.
What sort of things have you seen and heard from sitting inside Zaman Park today?
Well, I mean, I've been following everything from here. First of all, the attack came, the police came in without any knowledge. I mean, suddenly we saw on news that the police were coming to arrest me, and we didn't have that many workers. So they immediately tried to remove the workers. So they then stood their ground, and then there was this first water cannons, then this tear gas shelling. So, and inside my house, I mean, we had all our eyes smarting here, and we were sort of washing our faces because it came right inside the house. So now there is a lull. They are gathering more force. I'm all mentally prepared that I'm going to be spending my night in a cell. I got on how many nights, but I'm all prepared for that. But I think they're determined this time they really won't be behind bars.
So why are you resisting arrest when the police are coming now?
We had taken bail, protective bail, till the 18th. So on 14th, there was no reason why they should have come to arrest me. And the worry is that this is all mala fide. What I would want in Pakistan is rule of law. And rule of law means simply whoever breaks the law should be punished. Now, whether it is someone in my party or someone against me or opponent, they should all be subject to the law of the land.
The law of the land says that there is an arrest warrant out for you, that you are resisting. So are you not following the law of the land?
It is not the law of the land, because I had a protective bail till the 18th. They've come 4 days earlier. It's not the law of the land, it's the law of the jungle.
Imran Khan, opposition leader in Pakistan.